Hey students, now in this video I will explain the workout exercise of your chapter 2. Okay, so just look upon the questions. First question, choose the correct option. A, 2 upon 3 power minus 2 divided by 3 upon 2 power minus 2 is equals to, and options are given in front of the question. So you have to choose the correct option for that. First you have to solve this using the laws of exponent, and then you have to find the correct answer. B also same. Question number C, the value of x for which 3 upon 4 power minus 3 multiply 3 upon 4 power 4x is equals to 3 upon 4 power 5. Here you have to find the value of x. This type of questions also we have done in the previous exercises. Try to solve D and E also. In question number D, first you have to transfer this 2 into the LHS, then it will go into the multiply. This 2 is in divide, will go into multiply this. Then this minus 5 is in negative, it will go into plus. Then it will be 11 multiplied to 22 plus 5, it will be 27, and this 27 can be written as 3 power 3. Now we need to write the 27 as the power of 3, then compare the bases and then try to solve the question. Okay, next find the value of following expression. You have to find the value of these expressions. So use laws of exponent and you have to find value. That means you have to solve it completely. You don't need to write the answer in exponents form. You have to solve completely. Okay, you have to find the final answer. So use laws of exponents there. Third question, find the reciprocal of the following. We have to solve this just like 6 upon 5 power 2. Then you have to solve 6 upon 5 multiply 6 upon 5, and then you have to write the reciprocal of that number. Okay, then fourth question, simplify and express the result in the form of positive exponents. Okay, simplify and express the result in the form of positive. That kind of question was also there in exercise 2.1. so try to solve. And fifth, find the value of x. That kind of questions also we have done. Sixth and seventh I explained on the next slide, you can see. But before that, look upon eighth question, express the following in standard form. So you have to write them in standard form. In ninth question, write the following in usual form. Then you have to write in usual form. In 10th question, 8 copies of a book with 500 pages are stacked on the top of each other if the thickness of a page is 0.065. That means 8 copies. You have kept 8 copies one above the other, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like that, one above the other. You kept 1, then above 2, then 3 4 5 6, like that. Okay, 8 copies of a book with 500 pages and thickness of a page is 0.0065. Thickness of one page is given, then you have to find the thickness of all the pages. Before to finding the thickness of all the pages, we need to calculate the number of pages. So how to calculate number of pages? There are 8 copies and each copy have 500 pages. Then total number of pages are 8 multiply 500, that will be 4000. You have to write total number of copies equals to 8. Number of pages in one copy is equals to 500. Then total pages equals to 8 multiply 500, that is 4000. Then total thickness will be 4000 multiplied by 0.0065. And then whatever answer you will get, you have to write the answer in scientific notation. Okay, try to solve. Now look upon question number 6 and 7. In question number 6, you have to find the value of x power minus 2 if x is equals to 2 upon 3 power 2 multiply 3 upon 2 power minus 4. So first of all, I will solve the value of x. Whatever given, I will solve. You can see that x equal to given 2 upon 3 power 2 multiply 3 upon 2 power minus 4. This minus 4 is negative. I converted the power into a positive, so I will reciprocal this 3 upon 2 as 2 upon 3. This negative is converted into positive, so that I will reciprocal 3 upon 2 as 2 upon 3. Now you can see the bases are same, multiply is there, so power will be added. Now I got that the value of x is equal to 2 upon 3 power 6. 2 upon 3 power 6. Then x power minus 2 will be. So now I need to put the power minus 2 on the value of this x. What is the value of x? 2 upon 3 power 6, and put power minus 2, because we need to find the value of x power minus 2. Value of x is 2 upon 3 power 6 and power minus 2. Now power raised to the powers, then powers will be multiplied. 6 2 is 12, then minus 12. So 2 upon 3 power minus 12. Now the power is negative, again convert into positive, then it will be 3 upon 2. Right here plus 12. By mistakenly I return minus 12. You have to write plus 12. Listen it carefully. You have to write here plus 12. 3 upon 2 power plus 12. Okay. Similar question is next one, 7th question. It given x equal to 4 upon 5 power minus 2 divided by 1 upon 4 power 2. This minus 2 I converted into plus, then it is 5 upon 4. Then 4 upon 5 will be written as 5 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 4 power 2. Now you can see the powers are same. If powers are same, then power can be taken as common. Now the question is 5 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 4. Now if divide is there, it will be converted into multiply. Then the 1 upon 4 will be written as 4 upon 1. This divide is converted into multiply. So this 1 upon 4 will be written as 4 upon 1. We will write the reciprocal of 1 upon 4. You know how to divide rational number. So that we will do in this bracket. So 5 upon 4 multiply 4 upon 1. 4 to 4 cancel out. Then 5 power 2. 5 power 2 is the value of x. Again we need to find the value of x power minus 1. So what is the value of x there? 5 power 2. Put minus 1 there, because we need to find x power minus 1. Value of x is 5 power 2 and put power minus 1. Then 2 multiply minus 1, it will be minus 2. Convert into positive, then 1 upon 5 power 2. You no need to solve question number 11 and 12 of workout exercise. Both questions you no need to solve in your notebook. Solve up to question number 10. Try to solve all the questions of workout exercise in your notebook. If you get any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you.